What if dinosaurs never went extinct? Imagine a world where dinosaurs didn't vanish 66 million years ago, after that famous asteroid struck. What would our Earth look like today? Let's rewind. Around 66 million years ago, an asteroid roughly 10 kilometers wide crashed into what is now the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. The impact was so powerful that it caused tsunamis, global fires, sulfur clouds, and a nuclear winter that lasted for years. The result? About 75% of all life on Earth was wiped out, including all non-avian dinosaurs. But what if that asteroid missed? First, would humans even exist? Let's not jump too fast. The extinction of the dinosaurs made room for mammals to rise. Before that, mammals were basically nocturnal, snack-sized creatures trying not to get stomped, bitten, or used as dental floss. When the dinosaurs disappeared, mammals said, "Finally," and began to evolve rapidly. Without the extinction event, it's possible primates, and therefore humans, would never have evolved, or at least not in the same way or time frame. In short, no meteor, possibly no us. Okay, but what if we did evolve anyway? Let's assume humans still evolve somehow, maybe in isolated areas where dinos weren't dominant. Then things get wild. Imagine walking to school while trying not to get eaten by a velociraptor pack crossing the street like pigeons. Or your morning jog suddenly turning into a sprint because a curious T-Rex thinks you're a protein bar. Urban planning would be chaos. You'd need raptor-proof fences, dino crossing lights, and drone patrols keeping flying reptiles away from power lines. Park signs would say, "Don't feed the hadrosaurs," instead of "Don't feed the ducks." Would we domesticate dinosaurs? We domesticated wolves into dogs. Could we turn raptors into guard pets or triceratops into riding animals? Maybe, but don't get your hopes up. Dinosaurs weren't exactly cuddly. Many were smarter than you'd expect, but not dog smart. Domestication is more about temperament than brains. Try taming a Komodo dragon first, then scale it up by 5 tons. However, some scientists believe small, chicken-sized dinosaurs might have made decent pets. You'd need to reinforce your couch and give up on slippers forever, though. Modern ecosystems would be drastically different. Dinosaurs would compete with mammals for food and territory. Lions might have to square up with Deinonychus for antelope meat. Hippos could coexist with horned herbivores like Pachyrhinosaurus. And good luck telling your dog not to chase a flying Quetzalcoatlus the size of a Cessna. Some species might have gone extinct just because they couldn't keep up. Elephants, rhinos, or even certain birds could have been outcompeted or preyed on by hungry dinos. Could we use dinosaurs for work? Possibly. A strong herbivore, like an ankylosaurus, might be used in construction or transport the same way oxen were. They'd need custom saddles, massive diets, and a strong insurance plan. Also, you'd need to avoid stepping on their tails. The average ankylosaurus tail club could total your car. And what about science? Imagine the Jurassic Park franchise as documentaries instead of fiction. Universities would offer dinosaur conflict mediation majors. Scientists would spend decades figuring out how to treat scale infections or measure dino emotions. Dino poop would be studied religiously. Museums would need stadium-sized rooms. Zoos would need bunkers. So, could we survive with dinosaurs? Short answer, maybe. But we'd be living around them, not with them. Think coexistence, the way villagers coexist with nearby crocodiles, mostly by staying out of the water and hoping for the best. Unless we developed advanced weapons and control systems early on, large carnivores would make rural life nearly impossible. Imagine trying to farm while a 9-meter-long predator is sniffing around your cows. Hard pass. But wouldn't we kill them all anyway? Sadly, probably. If history teaches us anything, it's that humans tend to shoot first and conserve later. Large predators might have been hunted to extinction for safety. Herbivores might be farmed, fenced, or bred into weirder versions. Imagine a French-bred stegosaurus with floppy ears and no spikes. Some species would go viral on TikTok. Others would be soup. In the end, if dinosaurs never went extinct, Earth would be a different planet. Either we wouldn't be here at all, or we'd be clinging to survival with stone walls, laser fences, and triceratops-proof doors. Cool? Definitely. Practical? Not really. But one thing's certain, pigeons would have a lot more street cred.